Hello everyone. Today we will see Laplace transform or the Laplace formulas of some standard function. So without waiting any time, let's get started. First one, Laplace of 1 is 1 upon s. Second one, Laplace of k is k upon s. Third one, Laplace of a raised to at is 1 upon s minus a. Fourth one, Laplace of a raised to minus at is 1s plus a. Fifth one, Laplace of sin at is a upon s square plus a square. Sixth one, Laplace of cos at is s upon s square plus a square. Seventh one, Laplace of sin h at is a upon s square minus a square. Eighth one, Laplace of cos h at is s upon s square minus a square. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you all like this video, then press the like button. And if you have any query regarding this topic, mention that on below comment section. For getting updates on my upcoming videos, subscribe to our channel SB Preparation.